guys, welcome my new video. So in this video I will show how to detect iframes with PHP. So lots of people iframe our site with HTML iframe tag. So in this video I will show how to detect them and block them, and you can make any logic with that request. So without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. First of all, open your favorite code editor. So in this purpose I will use Sublime Text Editor, which I actually use for my PHP codes. So I already opened PHP server with Jam, and I created a directory with tutorials, and there I created a PHP file called iframes.php. Here I will make the response of iframe. So I'm making a h1 tag with the response I am from iframe, and I will make a index file in this directory with index.php. Here I will make the iframe. So let's make the iframe here. Okay, so here I'm going to make the index page. So control F, control H, index.php. So in this index.php we will directly use name page. Okay, so we will directly make iframe on the source of tutorials slash iframe.php. So let's make the white 100%. Okay, so here was my output. So see, this is iframe, and we are getting the data from iframe. In our index space we use that iframe to another page. So now we will detect the iframe and block that request. So for that you have to code on the iframe. So you have to write some codes here. So you can write here. So there is a global variable called server. So let's dump the so there is a global variable called server. In the server global variable you can get the server data, like your user IP, user browser, user agents, and lots of data. So let's check what's data include on the server. So let's dump the data directly. So I'm gonna dump it. Okay, I'm gonna exit this one, so it will not execute before that. So see, we can see the data. If you open the iframes like here, you can see there are lots of things here, and here too. But here network, okay, so here we can see the lots of requests data here. So this is our HTTP authorization, SSL, and HTTP host, our local host connection, and this one our user agent, and this is another one. This is the platform, which is Windows right now. Full user agent, HTTP access. There are lots of data we have. Here are HTTP cookies. So there are lots of data. So here and those data. So let me refresh this page to show you others data. So this one. So if you search this one, HTTP sec first dest. So you can't find on direct request this one. You can see this is a document, but when you request from a browser with iframe tag, it sent a request with iframe. So we'll take that data and make that logical. So for that you just have to you just have to take the data. So request type server and pass the index name here. So now we will get the request name. Okay, let's stop the dump, and if we refresh here, we can see it's a document request. That means it's a direct request. And if we refresh from here, you can see it's iframe. So let's make a condition here. So okay, if request type equal iframe, that means it's iframe request. Okay, now we can do anything here. Suppose you want to exit from here and not want to show any kind of data. Okay, so if we refresh, you can't see anything, but if you open the page, you can see the data. Okay, so let's show something here. So we will show echo iframe not allowed. If we refresh from here, we can see iframe not allowed, and if we refresh from here directly, we can see the page. So we can iframe our page with like this. You can also pass the http response code, http response code 404. It will send error page directly. See, it's a 404. Okay, so you can do any condition here with that logic. It's really easy. So thank you guys for watching my video, and see you on the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.